Well, here we are, Ripley Adventures again.
Today we're going to be doing a Lego boat jail. So Bowden has the bad guy.
Bad guy boat. Bowden just built that boat today. He wrote Titanic, and he's got a motor on it.
And we don't know if it'll float or not.
And we don't know if this boat is going to float.
And this is like the hitch I put on it. Bowden's the bad guy, and here I have the good guys. I'm Batman and Batgirl, and this boat can go off, and this is a little jet ski. And I got this guy yesterday.
And what kind of dino is that?
It's, I gotta think.
A Scorpionsaurus?
Scorpius Rex. I got
dinosaur too.
Because these quills are poisonous, and if they shoot at you, you get sick. And
I'm taking my glasses off.
It's just drinking.
Hold them,
now.
please.
I want them.
Okay, Bodie, let's see if this boat floats.
And then we'll do a Lego jail theme.
Look at that.
Bowden, turn the prop on.
Can you turn the motor on? Oh, that
Does
is
it
so
run?
cool.
Turn it on.
Look at that. That's so cool.
It spins in circles.
Yeah. About these little motors.
We should a video on that.
Bowden, what do you think, bud? How cool is that? And that's your anchor chain? And here's...
The water's not that cold, Dad. That's my hitch.
That's your hitch? Okay, Brindley, let's see yours.
Bowden, should we play the game? After I show you my boat floats, and then we'll play the Lego jail bad guy thing. I'm going to take the boat, that big boat off. Bowden, you just got me wet.
Uh-oh.
That's okay, right, Gwen?
That boat doesn't float very good. It's got too much weight.
Maybe we should take the jet ski off. How about this? What the heck? I dropped water.
What is that, a Batman boat?
Yep, I got it.
Batman boat.
Because Robin's on this side. Let's try it now.
Batman and Robin. Oh, that's super cool.
Look at me. Batman's going off.
You see any crayfish?
No.
No?
Let's see if the jet ski floats.
Your Batman boat's getting away.
Get back here, Batman.
Look at all those canoes, Dad. There's only one canoe on.
Yeah, we got a bunch of canoers across the river.
They'll probably go canoe.
Here we go.
Dad, they'll probably go canoe.
He does not float. He tips.
It might.
Dad, look.
That is a jet ski.
It floats without him on it. It floats without him on it.
Dad, just Camp Ripley, right?
You heard that?
Big boom.
Rawr.
See? That's to move the arms.
How does its mouth open up?
You gotta press the tail one.
The tail one?
I will show you.
Yeah.
Watch the front one.
It moves the arms.
That's
Okay,
fun.
Bowden, should we
There goes
play-
a log floating down the river.
Why?
I don't know.
Looks like a submarine.
It kind of does look like a submarine.
Winnie, are you gonna get it?
No!
Look at that boat.
Well, I wish Dad could get it.
It's too deep for me.
No, it's not.
And look how fast it's going. It's almost gone.
Dad
already.
could catch it with his
Dad,
lure.
it looks like something to me. It looks like something. It looks like a torpedo.
Yeah, that's so wrong.
It looks like a torpedo, right, Gwen?
That looks like a submarine.
It looks like a submarine.
It looks like a torpedo. It looks like a torpedo to me.
But I want to play Lego jail.
Yeah, I get my boat in quick. I
The
got
boat is the bad guys, and we got we'll show you guys. I'm doing a big drop off over there, what's like on a shoreline, and then we'll show you guys us doing it after we do the Lego jail theme. We'll show you, and I even got a Batman prop.
Batman prop?
Yeah. What do you guys say? I'm gonna take my sweater off because I don't want to get my sweater.
That's probably got wet boat in. Now that tape on it is wrecked.
Alright, that's what we have to do without the motor.
Yeah, I'll hold on to the motor.
Will you get this thing
But
back
I'll wait
on?
for you. Robin, to the rescue!
It might not work with wet tape. But you can do your best.
What's that sound? Like clicking.
Birds?
Alert! Alert! I heard there's a bad guy.
You can throw that to me, Bodie. Thank you.
That's the bad guy. I will need him.
Okay, now you ready? Alert! I heard there's a bad guy. Batman, you go out and get him. Okay, Robin, when he calls for your help, get the jet ski. Okay. There he is. Turbo speed.
Turbo speed.
Activate jets. Flying boat. Gotcha. Oh.
Uh-oh.
Get the bad guy now. The bad guy. Button, I got you. Button, then let me get you, and I got you.
But do I have a cape?
No. Gotcha. Oh.
I'm happy that your boat floats, Bowden.
Bowden, I have something I want to do.
I had to take a
My
plate.
butt's just been soaked.
Well,
But I have something I really want to do.
Oh my.
What?
I was trying to saw a big crayfish by a
Oh
tick.
yeah, I see that.
you saw a big crayfish? Was it scary?
Let me
No.
see it.
Are you gonna catch it?
You're good. He's dead. And he has no pictures.
He's a dead one?
But I'm gonna get you. But let me get you. I have an idea I'm gonna do when I get you. I really want to do it. Robin, we need you. Here I come.
Here I come. I'm on a jet ski.
Up in the sky.
You know I'm taking a break.
Oops.
Are you taking a break?
Aw, Bowden,
That's all right.
Can we
take a
go?
break.
Can I show him the drop off?
Yeah?
Can we both go over there, Dad?
Should we go look at it?
Let's play at the drop off now.
The
we play
drop
at the
off.
drop off now. I'm playing at the drop off now with
You that can be a drop off? Wait,
Oh.
what is that? First thought that was like a little.
That's where it gets
It's over
deep.
there on that sandbar right there. It's over at that sandbar. Dad, is the camera waterproof?
I don't know. Probably.
Yeah,
Well,
you
you should
should
have raccoon feet right there. Yeah, right here.
You're fine, Bowden.
Well,
Just hold on to the willows when you walk. Then you won't.
yeah, that's
Then
what
if
I
you
did.
slip, you can hold on to yourself.
Yeah, I almost slipped and I hold on to the willows and I didn't go. We're here. I mean, I'm here.
Dad, you lift this group.
I got it, buddy.
We're at the drop off. There's like, see it? Right there. Big cliff or right here. Little.
The water is kind of cold.
No, it's not.
There goes the crayfish.
I got the swimsuit on.
Yeah, I don't think we're going swimming.
I might.
Oh, no. Oh, yeah, here's the cliff and the ledge.
I'm going. Pretty good.
Awesome.
Boom.
Oh, there's a little hole right there.
See that hole?
Hole.
For crayfish?
I don't know. Yeah, that's kind of cool. Maybe some little creature made those holes.
Oh boy,
And they
hopefully.
might live in them?
What if it's a snail?
Could
What
be.
if they're bubble holes? Bubbles come out of.
Okay, Brindley, my battery is going to die.
Uh-oh.
Sounds good, guys. Thanks for watching.
Underwater!
Yeah, but can we play for a few minutes? Yeah.
Now look at, I have